Pizza is one of the most loved fast foods, and when we think of pizza, the first name that comes to our mind is Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is the largest U.S. chain that has more than 16,000 restaurants in over 100 countries in the world. Among all the increasing competition in the pizza market, Pizza Hut has managed to stay relevant and is constantly augmenting its widespread customer base. Hello and welcome to the new informative video by Mirrorreview. In this video, we will enlighten you with the 5 best marketing strategies by Pizza Hut that are driving the brand forward. Customized products. Pizza Hut has a history of innovations. It introduced stuffed crusted pizza in 1995, space pizza in 2001, natural pizza in 2008. Pizza Hut provides the best quality pizzas and products are made with the finest quality materials. It provides pizza customization too. You can order the pizza of any design with your favorite ingredients. Pricing schemes. Pizza Hut has a competitive pricing policy. Its pricing scheme puts higher prices of products at first to create hype in the market and reduces them afterward. Also, it provides a one-price policy that treats every customer the same. There is no price discrimination and all customers pay the same price for the same products. Unique promotions. Whatever may be your product, unique promotions catch people's eyes. To date, Pizza Hut has invested $204 million in advertising. It promotes the products via TV commercials, print media, online channels, and sponsorships. 1965's Putt Putt to the Pizza Hut and 2007's Gather Around the Good Stuff have been trending among audiences. It also offers some amazing coupons on its products. Placement methods. Pizza Hut's methods of placing ads are quite exceptional and interesting. Unique placements start within the company itself. The logo has a hut next to pizza and it attracts people. Pizza Hut has placed its advertising at many artistic locations like games, films, reality shows, and many more. Games like Crazy Taxi and films like Wayne's World have featured Pizza Hut too. Final distributions. 18,000 plus restaurants of Pizza Hut in the world are serving people and it has expanded its international business. Pizza Hut offers 3 main methods of distribution: dine-in, pre-orders, and home deliveries. The 30-minute delivery strategy and shops at every possible public place are Pizza Hut's unique distribution strategies. So, this way Pizza Hut manages its marketing and tries to compete in the pizza race. Recently, many other big fishes in the pizza market have entered the race. However, Pizza Hut will always remain the first choice for its tasty pepperoni pizza. If you find this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Mirrorreview's YouTube channel for more interesting stories.